So can I say that when I see the difference in terms of returns, well, returns are subject to market risk. Always it's a function of the markets. But when I see the past performance, I see huge amount of gap between what fixed income mutual funds are offering and what AIFs are. Can I say that just because money is locked, just because the liquidity doesn't have to be managed, you are able to ideate, think through and generate slightly additional alpha? Or anything else? Please speak to our investor and tell us.
Right. There are three parts to this. The first part is, like you rightly said, when it's a close-ended fund, I don't need to manage how much cash I'm going to carry. In a credit mutual fund, what I need to do is, when there is a little bit of a issue in the markets, I need to run 15%, 20% cash. When there is markets are doing very well, then I'll run 10% or 5% cash. But if I get that call wrong, then I'll have to sell all those other bonds in discount in the market. So that is one big difference.
Right.
The second part is that because it is marketed to sophisticated investors, such as the ones watching the show, they would know exactly what kind of risk that is there in the product. I will be able to tell them, like, for example, the funds that we invest in are all in operating companies with proven business models and cash flows. So the investors know what they are investing in. But in a mutual fund, anybody can invest in.
Right.
So I'll have to cater to the most risk averse investor also.
Correct.
And the one who is the most uninformed.
Right.
जो कभी भी पैसे निकाल सकता है. So these are the
and उसमें retail
reasons.
money भी होता है.
Retail money, exactly. So the retail money would not really understand, जो मैं simple से आपसे समझा रहा हूँ, duration, credit and liquidity. These concepts are not easy for a retail person to understand. Only those who have had some investment experience, have a certain amount of net worth, they would understand these concepts in general.
Sure. So what is the size of the overall fixed income AIF industry size? And second, what kind of investors that you are looking at when you are running this fund who are onboarding here?
Right. So AIF on the fixed income side, they have grown by a large amount. So if you see, in terms of numbers, category 2 is like more than 2 lakh crores. But the point is, where we are what we like to call performing credit investing, which is extremely high quality, safe companies to invest in. These companies and the money chasing them is somewhere in the range of 15 to 20,000 crores only.
Okay. So 15-20,000 is not a small number. In fact, so you're witnessing these family offices coming, or some HNIs, ultra HNI clients are also taking enough into?
Ultra HNIs, family offices, insurance companies, bank treasuries, corporate treasuries, a whole host of people have taken interest here. So if you look at our investor base, we have more than 400 unique investors in our funds as of now, which comprise from the largest investors in the country, the largest bank in the country, to just an HNI who has a net worth of just a couple of crores, also invested more than a crore with us.
Right.